Well, hello. My name is Don Cray, and I am going to show you how to NetAcad today. All right. So these courses are all going to be based around Net Academy, and so you need to know how to do this. This is the early start. So first off, if you don't have a bunch of browsers, you go to this place called 99.com. All right. Because with Net Academy, the best two browsers are Firefox and Chrome. And so if you don't have those, you can just click those right there. Alright, so now Net Academy also takes Java, so you just click that little Java, you click .NET Runtime. That shouldn't help you, but we're just going to pick up all of these runtimes in case you need them in the future, because this is the biggest problem with Net Academy is this. So then you just click Get Your 99. This little thing's going to come up here. It's going to give you a download. I am not going to run this because I already have all this, but as you can see, you get a little download down there. It's going to launch. Come on, launch. And there it was. Let's see if I pull it back up. Nope, maybe it wasn't. Anyhow, that installer will pop up here, and that's that. Then there's www.netacad. Choose your browser. I prefer Chrome. Chrome usually works the best. If it doesn't work, try Firefox. And if everything else fails, then I guess go Internet Explorer. If you're doing this in Internet Explorer, you're probably going to have some problems. Alright, so next we've installed Java. Or we're going to say we installed Java. And so I'm doing this on Windows 10, but all you have to do is go to Control Panel. You can click that in your search. Windows 7 Control Panel will be right there in your little doodad. Alright, so mine's on small icons. You could do large icons. By default, it's on the stupid categories. Categories is for people that don't know how to use computers. So you go to small icons, and then you go into this Java. And if you have a 64-bit Java, or 64-bit browser, you want to make sure you're doing 64-bit Java. But the security tab right here, to make things work better, what you do is you go edit site list, and I have these two for other reasons, but what we're going to do is say https://assessment.netacad, oops, no caps lock, netacad, it wouldn't matter if you did have caps lock.com. This is where we're going to be taking our test. It's going to allow Java to load. Okay, so that is our next step of getting things to work. Finally, we're going to log in. And you're going to receive an email in your Warrior Mail that will help you set up this password or this account. So this one's going to look, you're going to put in your username or your email. So just your Warrior Mail would work. You're going to log in with that password. And my internet's a little slow right now, so that's probably what's going on with my installers. Well, probably should have restarted this computer. Anyways, I didn't, so this is where we're at. Yours is going to look a little different from this, but anyhow, there's going to be classes. Probably yours is ISADI 204 Spring 17. Okay, so you would then click on that, and I'm going to go to a different one because I haven't actually launched that yet, and so we're going to go to a class that has already been started. And virtually, you will see all this stuff. This next screen is what you'll see to do all of your assignments. So the modules right here. This is the reading. If you click on the reading, then this is the exam for each week. And if you want to find that the quizzes are optional, I will give you attendance points at the end for doing them if you want them. But you could also find your assignments by going to this neat page called Assignments, Discussions. I will post your packet tracer assignments in case they get messed up. Grades, you can look at grades. I can't show you that right now because that'll show you your grades. Oops. And so this is showing who's in that class. Can't do that either. Anyhow, your two most, here's your quizzes right there, but your two most used are going to be modules and assignments, and then discussions if you have problems. Otherwise, just email me. Then to know what's going on, your calendar is going to look a little bit different, because when I'm doing this is before you guys are in. But your calendar will look kind of like this, except it'll be around here. And so you will only have one. I can see all the classes, so there's that. So this is the first week. Then from then on, it'll look like this, where you have your chapter you can launch, and then the lecture to it, and then you could actually take the exam. Okay, well, that's that part. So now if we go back to our main NetAcad, we need to install some things and test some stuff. So we go back to home here, and we go to this thing called student resources, right? And under student resources, you want to download Packet Tracer. And for most people, if you have a newer computer, you want to download this should be easier to see, but anyways, we're gonna figure out, hopefully you guys can see it better than me, but this is Packet Tracer 6.3. Let's see if we can get it to zoom out and be, well, that's new. Anyways, hopefully they fix this where you can actually read it. Let's see what this Packet Tracer is. Looks like Packet Tracer Mobile. So we want this one, hopefully. This should be Packet Tracer 7.0. It's the newest one currently. And then this is a 32-bit Linux install. You probably don't have a Linux machine, so don't click on that one. If you have a 32-bit, if you have an older computer, use this 32-bit one. If you have a newer computer, use the 64-bit Packet Tracer. So you'll click that, install it. Then to make sure you're going to be okay during the test, we're going to go back to our main Packet Tracer site. Oops. Oh, nope, that's where I wanted to be actually. So back to student resources, and apparently that's under pages as well. Right here it has a thing to download Java in case you didn't do 9.9. But you can run this, and this little Java, if you have Java, it will run. And what it does is it does an assessment check to make sure your Packet Tracer will work on the test. So make sure you do that. And after you've done that, should be good for this course. And just watch your calendar and make sure you get the assignments done. Even though they say they're due on Thursday, because I would love for everyone to have them done by Thursday, but you actually have the Sunday at 11:59 p.m. to get, say, chapter 1 or whatever is due that week done. So that is my intro. I hope you enjoy Net Academy and learn a lot.